My name is Rich Beelan, and I am a proud veteran. I got a letter from the President of the United States, and it said, "Richard, you have been selected to be drafted." And the strangest part was, I knew it was coming because my mother worked for the draft board. And she says, "You're going to get a letter in the mail." And I said, "Why don't you just bring it home?" She says, "No, we're not allowed to. We have to mail it." Ended up in the Army Security Agency Europe and spent my tour in Frankfurt, Germany. When you get into the military, they teach you to have self-esteem, to be self-sufficient. You do your job and you learn that from the military. It really pays off when you get a job like in Lowe's, because then you know exactly what your mission is, what you have to do, and you get it done. The way we live today and our freedom and everything is due to our military. And a lot of people don't realize that.